Hi Year 2s, welcome to today's spelling lesson. I hope you're having a lovely day. This week in our spellings, we are going to be learning how to spell contraction words. Can anyone remember what a contraction word is? Okay, so let's find out. A contraction word is when two words are joined together to make a shorter word. The words are shortened by leaving out a letter or letters, and the letters are replaced by an apostrophe. So an apostrophe is this here. It's a type of punctuation that we use when we're writing contractions because it's used in replace of the letters that are taken away from the words, the two words that it's made up of. Okay, so you are is replaced by your, and you can see that the A has been replaced with the apostrophe. She is becomes shiz, and the I is replaced with the apostrophe, and I am is replaced to I'm, and again the A is replaced with the apostrophe. So I'm going to ask you to have a go at matching these words with the contractions. So you've got the contractions down this side, and then the words that the contractions are made up from on this side. So let's do the first one together. Your is going to be matched with, what does your mean? You're going to the shop means you are going to the shop. So your is matched with you are. There it is down there. You are. So what I'd like you to do is you can write down the contraction words, and then next to it you can write down the correct two words that the contraction is made up of. Okay, so if you're writing it down in your books, you would write your is the same as you are. Okay. Oh, can you see the marvellous mistake I've made there? I've put the apostrophe in the wrong place. You are. It's in replace of the A, so the apostrophe goes there. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at matching those words and writing them down for me. When you're ready, you can press play and we'll go through them together. Okay, how did you get on? So you are is replaced, has replaced you. Your is replaced with your. You'll is you will. Can't is cannot. Won't is will not. Haven't is have not. That'll is that will. You've is you have. Don't is do not. And aren't is are not. So well done if you got them right. If you got a few mistakes, then fix them now. Okay, let's move on. I'm just going to recap what a contraction is. Okay. So a contraction is when two words join together to make a shorter word. It is called a contraction. The words are shortened by leaving out letters which are replaced by an apostrophe. In the following sentences, the contractions are read. So you'll, that means you will, you'll have to see for yourself. I can't, which means cannot, I can't believe it. Okay, so question time. So you can write these questions and answers into your home learning books for me. First one we've got is, I think it's time for lunch. So which one means is spelt correctly? Which it's should it be? Pause the video and write down the correct spelling. Okay, so it means it is. I think it is time for lunch. So it must be this one because the I for is, it's been taken out, so that's in the right place. So the correct one is that one. Okay, next one. Where's he going now? I asked. So that means where is. So which one of those is the correct way to spell where's? Pause the video and write down the correct spelling. Great, so it's this one, where's, because it's where is and the I has been taken away. So that is the correct way to spell where's. Next one. I don't know who's going to be there. So whose means who is. So which one of those is the correct way to spell whose? Pause the video to write the correct one. Okay, so whose means who is. So that's how we spell who. And the I has been taken away from is. So the correct one is this one. Okay, next one. He's worried because he hasn't done his homework. So hasn't is has not. So which one is the correct spelling for hasn't? Pause the video to write down the correct one. Okay, well done. So hasn't means has not. And the O has been taken away. So this one is has not, hasn't. So it's this one is the correct spelling, hasn't. Well done. Okay, so for this one, I would like you to put in the missing contraction word for each sentence. So I'd like you to write the whole sentence out with the missing contraction word. So the first one is, he said you'd help him with his homework. So you'd, that means you would. He said you'd help him with his homework. Okay, the next one. I said it'd be a long time before I tried that ride again. It'd. How do we spell it'd? Have a go at doing that one. And the last one is, I hope you're going to clean up your mess when you've finished. So the missing contraction word there is your. You are your. Okay, how did we get on? Let's write those in. He said you'd help. So you'd. So there's quite a few letters taken away from you would to make you'd. I said it'd, which means it would. It'd be a long time before I tried that ride again. I said it'd be a long time before I tried that ride again. And the last one, I hope you're, so that means you are. So we take away the A and replace it with an apostrophe. I hope you're going to clean up your mess when you've finished. Okay, well done if you got those right. Let's move on to the last few sentences. Okay, the last one, we've got to correct the spelling. We've got to spot the spelling that's wrong and correct it. Okay, so the first one, she says she'll help me with my homework. So she'll is incorrectly spelt. So we need to correct that. We won't go to the shops until tomorrow. So we need to correct won't. And the last one, I couldn't do my homework because I left my book at school. So couldn't needs to be corrected there. So pause the video and write those sentences with the correct spellings. When you're ready, we'll go through the answers. Okay, so she'll means she will. So she will, we're writing it as a contraction, we would take away the it and the were and put an apostrophe, she'll. She says she'll help me with my homework. Won't. Now won't here is spelt correctly, but the apostrophe is in the wrong place. We will not. We will not becomes won't. So we take away those letters, won't, and we put the apostrophe there, will not, we won't. I couldn't do my homework. So could not becomes couldn't. So we take away the O, we put an apostrophe, and we take away that space. That is how we spell couldn't. Okay, so well done if you got those right. And good luck with practicing your spellings on Spelling Frame website for the rest of the week. If you don't know your login for Spelling Frame, then just send the office an email and we will get back to you. Okay, well done for today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.